Hiccups are those annoying little spasms that can strike at the most inconvenient times. But why do we get them? It all starts with the diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs. When it involuntarily contracts, you suddenly suck in air and boom, hiccup. Common triggers include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. Interestingly, hiccups can also be a remnant of our evolutionary past, possibly linked to our ancestors' breathing patterns. Most hiccups are harmless and usually go away on their own, but if they last for days, it might be time to see a doctor. So next time you get the hiccups, just remember your body is having a little party of its own.